Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also, I really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So you can see here, I have a package right here. Got this, another dope pickup from Zadehkicks. So let's crack this open right here. When I saw that he was doing a pre-order on this one, I jumped on it. And I'm very glad that I did, because when they actually released on the sneakers app, of course I struck out. So very happy to have this in my collection. So let's crack this open right here. Been waiting for this for a minute, but as you can see here, Freestyler Doernbecher box right here, blue. Got labeling right there. Air Jordan 6 Retro DB Doernbecher, size 10, and right there. Its adjusted retail is $190 on there, and official colorway is Midnight Navy White. So let's see here. Got the freestyle sticker right there, and here they are. Finally was able to add this to my collection. And actually, this is the very first Doernbecher in my collection. I never had a chance to grab any of the other ones, but to me, this was, it's one of the better ones. It's a very dope pair. Got the icy blue bottom right there with the red Jumpman. And got this blue upper right here. You got 04, 09, 06, and 08. Got the number 1 right there. In the back of the tongue. What time is it? And then on the other one, it will say game time. So you can see the laces does have the gold tips on it. Got the lace lock with the Jumpman logo. Got Air Jordan on the tongue. Again, just a dope pair in my opinion. Here's the other one, closer look. But definitely glad to have this in my collection. Right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Oh yeah, and just in case you're wondering, I know a lot of people ask, is Zadehkicks legit? And I've told this multiple times on my other videos. To me, he is 100% legit. If you have patience, you will get your shoes. There are some pairs that, that the manufacturers cancel, so he can't really do anything about it. But for the most part, if you do a pre-order, you will get your shoes, but only under certain circumstances that you won't get it because of cancellation from the manufacturer. But again, 100% legit. All right, YouTube, peace out.